Learn English with Word in. Sentence 1.
She has been my friend.
She has been my friend. Sentence 2.
Eat with hand.
Eat with hand. Sentence 3.
The floor is made out of wood.
The floor is made out of wood. Sentence 4.
He caught me to the quick.
He caught me to the quick. Sentence 5.
Now we'll come to know.
Now we'll come to know. Sentence 6.
Please stop it.
Please stop it. Sentence 7.
May Allah bless him with good health.
May Allah bless him with good health. Sentence 8.
Be faithful.
Be faithful.